last year.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
No, you're not. Hi, Wookie.
We getting big 2022.
Look at Wookie.
Woogie. Hi, Woogie.
He's shy.
Hi, Bobo. Hello, YouTube.
Hello.
Sorry. Why didn't you get any food? Faith, did you already eat all your food before I could eat mine?
And ordered another plate.
Faith, seconds? At a place we have to pay for? Are you kidding me? I'm done. Bye.
Alright, what'd you get?
Fajitas.
Fajitas.
Corn tortillas.
Yes. Looks really good.
Hot.
I finally got my food. I got a grilled chicken taco salad, and all it has is chicken, lettuce, and tomato. I might put some salsa in it, but I plan on eating it with some chips. Very excited. Cheers. Go, go, go! Run! Why did he park so far away? That handsome car. Look how cute. Orange. I'm here. Okay.
I thought about locking it.
What? Lukey, are y'all cuddling?
Mm-hmm.
Look how cute y'all are. Lukey.
Wookie!
Oh. You sleepy?
Hey, we can go to the Bass Pro Shop. I can use my gift card.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Check your hips like a belly down, so.
you can eat.
Bear. Bo Berry. Hi, cutie. Hi.
So tired. Hi.
Hi. Yes.
Hi.
Welcome to the Boulder. You got a big front yard, spacious. Where's the porch?
There is no
I
porch.
should have brought it all the way out.
The other one felt bigger.
Huh?
The other one felt bigger, was it? Oh, this one has the lighter floors
Yeah.
into the mudroom. This last one. Oh wait, but it's darker floors in here.
Half bath there. See how much bigger?
Oh, I like the kitchen a lot more. And the my table, that big dining room table, definitely fit here. It would not fit at the other one. This is a lot bigger. I like this kitchen a lot more.
Yeah, but I like it.
I love it.
Try telling you. We can put the TV right there if we wanted to. They have it right there.
Wait, do they have it right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we could put the couch here and like put 2 chairs there.
Yeah.
We'll put a couch there, 2 chairs here. Masters in here.
Oh wait, I wanted to see the pantry.
That's not gonna be very big.
Well, I know, but I just want to see it.
So
It'd be like how mine is now.
Drop off in the backyard. But that's okay.
I like this a lot more. Like this living room layout. And the kitchen is much bigger. System master.
Yeah. That'll go there.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright.
Ooh, I like this sinks better. Oh, but I hate these drawers.
I don't care, that's what the drawers are like, the sinks and they do the double.
Yeah. Ooh, love the shower.
I know. Smart. I like it. And then closet.
Linen. Is this a linen closet? It's one of those big, like, walk-in ones.
Is it?
Yeah, it's, like, massive. It's bigger than the pantry.
Yeah, so we could do something differently with the shelving to use as like a closet too if we want to.
If we needed it to, yeah. Okay, regular closet. Nice. I do like... I like the double sinks.
I'm surprised that they have that door swinging into the
Shower like that, but I like the shower. Okay. I like the doors, these doors that they have. Okay, there's the half bath. Yep, just normal. So it's only 2 bedroom.
Nope. It's 3.
Ooh. Okay. Little closet. Not bad. And then another bed. Oh, and a bath. I like the bathroom. Looks good.
It's not really another one, but it's a guest.
But it's a guest bathroom. Yeah.
Faith's office. What?
I like the windows in here.
Pull up in the Sri Lanka, say what? You like the double windows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, I like this one.
I do too.
It's a good starter. Kind of 1 story. It's got bedrooms up there. I'm talking it in.
Speaking it into existence.
We're in the house.
We're getting a house. We're gonna get a house this year.
Yep.
In 3 or 4 months.
Sooner than that, maybe.
I hope 3. I hope 3 months. Chewies.
My fork's messed up.
Oh, nice. We both got the taco salad with creamy jalapeno on the side. The damage has been done.
With other stuff. Mama, I'm making a mess.
Oh, you found some.
Mom, it's in my shoe.
I just took, she can have that. Pixie can have that.
Pixie, come here, baby.
first snow of the new year. Wow, you can really see it coming down this way.
Okay, thank you.
Look how pretty. This is so crazy. There's like at least a good solid 4 inches. Like, wait, I don't even know if you can like see. And like our back patio, solid ice on the ground. Oh. This is so crazy. But, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Like, look at the house. It's all on the side of the house. That is so crazy. But look how pretty! It's only January 3rd. This happened so fast. That's so crazy. 5 inches. Yeah, 5 inches of snow. Wow. Come here, buddy. Come on.
He's like,
Buddy, you don't want to get in the snow anymore?
go see Faith. Go. Go.
Look at him shivering.
He said, Faith, I'm cold now.
Okay,
I did this once.
I really had to reel myself in.
This is after a whole day. It's still, my car is still covered in snow.
I'm gonna put these in here if you need it. Look for 'em.
Gotcha.
Rocky. Rocky. I like the island.
Staying way back.
Boom!
Rocky! Come on, get out of the way. Rocky! Rocky!
Take him to get the mail.
Currently lying on the chair in here reading this book. Just reading on my Kindle. And Rocky came to join me, so look how cute. My little baby, he loves laying on this chair right by the window and looking out the window all day long. So it's his favorite pastime, other than taking a nap pretty much. But yes. You gonna lay beside me? I think he's going to. Oh, Roxy, you're gonna lay with me and cuddle? How sweet.
Wait, I don't know how to do this.
Mom, you're not even holding it right.
I know, how do I do it? Seriously.
Like that. She doesn't even know how to hold the wheel, Dad.
At least 9 or 10, probably closer to 45.
I know, I'm not going anywhere.
You have to press 2.
I was.
Mom, you just passed me. He does not like the last 4 stairs for some reason. Come on, you've got this. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. You've got this. What the? Another day, another snowstorm. What the heck? What the heck? It's snowing so much. Oh, it's kind of cold, and I'm in a short sleeve shirt. Wow, it's like wet snow where I am. This is so crazy. It's snowing so much. I can't even like open my eyes fully because it's snowing so much. Like, look at the house. It's so white out here. I can't even see to the end of the road. Like, it's so bad. Or not bad, but like, there's so much snow. The house. Look at Rocky! Oh my goodness. All the cars are covered already. Rocky, come back here. Are you cold, buddy? Yeah. He's still not even going into the house though. He's so wild. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Look at all the snow. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to my camera.
Bo's like, what are you doing? Up.
You watching the snow, Roxy? Look at him. Where's Rocky's feet?
No, I'm not walking that far, dude.
Oh my goodness.
Look at Rocky.
Rocky, come here. Come here.
But too much?
Rocky, come here.
Come here. Alright, y'all done? Can we go in now?
Oh,
Okay, so are you done playing now? No?
he loves playing in the snow. What can you say?
Meg, I still need a photo for the email.
You all tucked in all comfy? Did you just come back in from outside? You just came back in from outside and look at them all wrapped up and comfy.
Good night. And fun play Christmas song.
Oh, Rocky, where you going? Bye. Dylan, look. The bowl on top of the car already.
You can.
You can roll those two if you want.
Or you can keep 4. It's up to you.
Okay. I thought you had to have a 1 or a 5 to roll.
No,
you don't.
or 3 of a kind or 4 of a kind.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. He's hurting me.
Rocky, what are you doing?
Okay.
The sky's really pretty today.
Oh.
Look at it all in my mirror.
Cold.
It's a pretty snow.
Oh my god, my hands are frozen.
You still have to get Dylan's.
Huh?
You still gotta do Dylan's. Look at the icicles on my car.
Huh?
There's icicles on the bottom of my car.
Yeah.
Woo! It's cold. There's another one back there. It's your red nose.
I know, frozen.
Nice one.
Hi, Ryan.
Oh, the tail.
Alright, Rocky.
Second catch. That's what I do when mine starts sliding. I'm like, oh, come on. Just don't go in the ditch.
The curb over here yesterday.
Ran over the curb.
Ran over the curb.
They should have put it there.
He tried to turn left and his car just kept going. He's like,
Well, there at the last minute, I straightened it back up and ran over the curb. If I kept turning like that, pulled the tire off the ramp.
Steer to the skid. I beat you.
Loser.
I beat you in Monopoly.